So what's up guys, welcome to another video. So check this out. I asked ChatGPT what jobs is AI going to replace. So AI is expected to replace or significantly transform many jobs by 2030, especially those that involve repetitive tasks, data processing, or predictable routines. So here's a list of jobs more at risk of being replaced or heavily disrupted by AI and automation. So this is very interesting, guys. Clerical and administrative jobs. Data entry clerks. AI excels at imputing, organizing, and processing data faster and more accurately. Receptionists. Automated chatbots and voice assistants are replacing front desk roles. Payroll and bookkeeping clerks. Cloud accounting software with AI capabilities handles most calculations and compliance. So we have tech and customer support roles. Basic tech support. AI chatbots can resolve common technical issues without human intervention. Call centers agents. AI voice systems and chat tools handle customer service inquiries 24/7 at scale. So we have for the finance and analyst industry, paralegals and legal assistants. AI can scan and summarize legal documents faster than humans. Basic financial analyst. AI can analyze market data and make forecasts more efficiently. The next one is retail and service sector. Cashiers, self-checkout systems, and AI-powered kiosks reduce the need for human cashiers. Retail sales assistants, AI-driven recommendation engines, and virtual assistants handle product queries. We have for manufacturing and transportations, assembly lines workers. So you can see here in the screen, and truck drivers, long haul. For media and content creation, guys, basic content writers and proofreaders. So the next one is education and training. Tutors for standardized tests and language translators. Other jobs at risk, we have insurance underwriters. AI can evaluate risk and automate policy decisions. Market research analyst. AI tools can process surveys and social sentiment faster and more deeply. And security guards. In some settings, AI with surveillance tech can monitor multiple locations with facial recognitions. Important notes. So check this out. While AI will replace some jobs, it will also create new ones, especially in, so this is kind of interesting, AI development and ethics, robotics maintenance, data labeling, human AI collaboration roles, and AI training and oversight. So I wanted to record this quick video, guys, about this topic because I am a chemical engineer and I have been doing affiliate marketing since a couple of years right now. And so basically right now I'm working a 9-to-5 job, and my main role in the company is like technical sales. So but I was searching for this kind of information because it's important to know that these jobs are at risk. And one important thing, guys, is that so I'm doing affiliate marketing as a side hustle, but also I'm working in this 9-to-5 job, and I'm using artificial intelligence, so ChatGPT, to help me to improve my job as a chemical engineer. So basically this AI ChatGPT, this chatbot is super crucial if you want, for example, improve your like tools in the job that you are working right now. And also you can use this ChatGPT chatbot for affiliate marketing as well, or for any side hustle. So in case that if you want to get access to a challenge in which you are going to learn how to do affiliate marketing the right way, you can click the first link in the description. So if you have any questions, guys, let me know in the comments. Talk to you soon, and God bless.